Welcome to Bridgewater Labs, a place where innovation meets collaboration. Technology is our craft, but people are our foundation. We build software that transforms businesses. But it's not just about writing code. It's about understanding real challenges and solving them with innovation, strategy, and teamwork. Great products come from great teams. That's why we create an environment where ideas flow, feedback is valued, and everyone contributes. And we believe work should be inspiring. That's why we keep things flexible, fun, and meaningful for those at the office, working remotely, or somewhere in between. For our clients, we're not just a tech team, we're partners. We work side by side, diving deep into challenges, delivering solutions that create real impact. Bridgewater Labs, a digital innovation partner for your next project.